Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and good night to those who are ready to go to sleep, wherever you are in the part of the world. I hope you guys have an excellent day, an excellent week, excellent night. And today I'm gonna show you how to cook a simple steak with just a simple seasonings. Alright, so last time I cooked a steak with hoisin sauce, but now just very simple. Okay, it's just a little piece, a small piece, and because my husband has a specific or special diet, it's the diabetic cardiac diet. Now that fats in there, I'm gonna remove that after it's cooked. It's done. Okay, I'm gonna cook it medium well. It's probably only take what 7 to 10 minutes. Probably 8 minutes is the 8 minutes the most. Medium well. He doesn't like a well done, so I gonna cook it medium well. So let's wash what let's wash the beef, okay? And then the steak seasoning that I have here that I used last time. There's a salt on it, and I found a complete seasoning uh, for any dish you make. So it's soup, stew, whatever you want, you can use it. It's a complete seasoning. There's garlic on it, bay leaf, um, onion. What else in there? Garlic, onion, and other herbs. So now let's try this. Okay, see how it tastes like. But I still gonna use this. I strain and try to remove the salt from this because, like I said, it's low sodium. So I'm gonna try to. I already did. So I removed part of the what do you call this? The salt. Okay, so to my baking pan, and I'm just gonna cook it for yeah, approximately 7 to 8 minutes the most. I think 10 minutes is too long. Gonna get it tough again and too well done. But I don't like medium well. I like well done. But my husband doesn't like the medium. So let's just put it in a baking pan. Yeah, and let's put the spices and let's put a little bit of the new seasoning, the complete seasoning that I found yesterday. So just a little sprinkle, just a sprinkle a little bit, okay? And then, yeah, both sides, okay? And then you're just gonna rub it in a little salt-free seasoning, my favorite seasoning, okay? Just a sprinkle a little bit, plus the seasoning sauce. Just probably just put only a half a teaspoon, okay? So I'll just gonna estimate it, half a teaspoon, just a little, or a little bit, rather than using regular salt. Okay, and rub. Okay, just sorry guys, and there are a lot of dishes to wash. Just put that in the dishwasher maybe later. So just rub it in like that, and I don't need to poke it because, like I said, he wanted medium well. So let's just gonna rub it like this, and if you can, you can marinate it with like what I did, and put it in a Ziploc bag or a little bowl and wrap it with a saran wrap or whatever you can cover the bowl, and you can soak it overnight. It's even better, or an hour or 2 hours is fine. So just that, but because I forgot to marinate it last night. I was just gonna put it in the oven right away. So because it's medium well, so I only turned the oven on for uh, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I will only cook it for between 7 to 8 minutes or even less, okay? You have to check because it means medium well is still little pink inside when you cut it. That's a medium well, okay? If it's rare, then approximately 5 minutes or even or less. That's the rare. Some people or medium rare, something like that. So they have it here. So that's it, guys, and I'll put it in the oven. It's just a little piece. So probably 7 minutes is the most, okay? Or even less. Make sure it's not overcooked again or not well done. Medium well. Okay, guys? There you go. Alright, and let's put it in the oven. And then I'll show you when it's done, and I'll see you guys in about a few minutes when it's done. Okay, guys? Alright, guys, this steak is done. So it's medium well. There you go. Okay, let me cut it and then let's get ready to eat. I'm just gonna cut small pieces because he's having a hard time chewing. He have a hard time chewing food. So, see, it's still pink. See that's medium well. And I can't handle eating medium well. So, this is cut it in small pieces. And he wanted rice instead of, what do you call this? Mashed potato. Eating mashed potato 2 days in a row is not appetizing thing anymore. Small pieces because it's a hard time chewing. And I'm gonna remove the fats, okay? So I don't know. I don't know if I have a steak sauce. I can give him a little steak sauce. I'm not sure, but I don't think he needs it because this is already very tasty. But I'm not sure if I have A1 sauce. It's a steak sauce. Alright, I'm gonna remove the fats because he doesn't need that. Alright, put it there on the plate. Alright. Some people like to eat with fats. It's not advisable, it's not healthy. Oops, there's a fat in there. That's the way he wanted, medium well. So let's put it in there. He only eats a small amount of rice. I don't think he can finish this little piece of steak. And of course, it's time for his medication. Ta-da. Dun, 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 dun. There you go, guys. That's my steak. So let me see if I have A1 sauce. See if I can give him an A1 sauce. I'm out of steak sauce, so I'm sorry I don't have a steak sauce. I forgot to get a steak A1 sauce yesterday. Oh well, let's just, I don't have a steak sauce, guys, so I'll buy steak sauce next time. So I'm gonna feed him now. Thank you guys for joining me on my video, and thank you for accompanying me in my kitchen. my cooking, and I really appreciate you guys all. And shout out to all of you, my subscribers, my viewers, visitors. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, feel free to click the subscribe the subscribe button then, or yeah, that subscribe there, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. And hi Alex, thank you for your concern, and thank you for checking on me most of the time, or almost all the time. I really appreciate that. Okay, thank you so very much. Don't forget to hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, and feel free to put your comments in the comment section below if you have questions, suggestions, or whatever else you wanted to tell me. Just put your comments in the comment section below, and when I get around to it, as soon as I read your messages or your comments, I'll get back to you right away. And if I can do it, your suggestions, I'll try to do it. Okay, so anyways, I'm cooking, so I removed my brace, but it's still very painful. The reason why I haven't talked or seen my doctor is because my husband's situation right now is bedridden, and he's just recovering, and I cannot I don't feel comfortable leaving him by himself. Even though there's somebody that comes, he has nurses. They gave him 2 nurses. The hospital gave him 2 nurses, home health nurses, 3 therapies, and then we have a lot of friends that are helping us. But the way I take care of him, and the way he wanted to be taken care of, the way he wanted how to take care of him, I'm the only one that can do it. And he's only comfortable for me doing it for him, all the help. So I'll see you guys later. And yes, don't worry, when he feels a little bit better, and I think that he is okay to leave him by himself with somebody to take care of him other than me, then I'm gonna go to my doctor and see what the problem is again. I twisted my arm again, and of course for carrying, repositioning him in bed and all of him, because I don't want him to get a bed sore. So I just gonna bear the pain for now, but the brace, my arm brace, is a big help. So I'm gonna put it back right away after I'm done with my cooking. Alright guys, so see you guys later. I love you guys, and you guys take care, stay safe, and stay healthy, and pray all the time. Don't forget to pray, okay? It's very, very important. It's not a responsibility, it's a need. God created us, okay? So he want us to talk to him every day, all right, through prayer. So I love you guys. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. My heart goes to everybody. So I'll see you guys next time, and thank you again for taking your time to watch my video and subscribing my channel. So thank you so very much for all your support. Bye guys, till next time. My heart goes to everybody. God bless you.